Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by our video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Wave Optics. Okay? The question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2025. A microscope has an objective of focal length 2 cm, has an eyepiece of focal length 4 cm, and the tube length of 40 cm. So these are all the four things given. The distance of distinct vision of eye is 25 centimeter. The magnification in the microscope is 150, 250, 100, 150. So these are all the values. We are having a direct formula for this. The magnification of a compound microscope M is equal to L by F naught into D by F. You can also write this L into D divided by F naught into F. So because these L and D are in the numerator, F naught and F are in the denominator. So L is the tube length of the microscope. It is 40 centimeter. The distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. F naught, focal length of the objective, 2 centimeter. Fe, focal length of the eyepiece, 4 centimeter. So all the four things are given. Sir, should we convert the centimeter into meters or need not? You need not. Okay, because everything is in the centimeter, they will be cancelled easily. So okay. Now M is equal to, you substitute the values. What is the value of L? 40 centimeter. What is the value of D? 20%. 40 into 25 divided by. What is the value of F naught? 2 centimeter. What is the value of Fe? 4 centimeter. So 40 into 25 divided by 2 into 4. 4 4 5 40. So 4 straight you will get 10 here. So here 2 இருக்குது 4 into 2 I into 5 into 25 125. So magnification in the microscope is 125. So option 4 is the right answer. So far we have discussed 12 questions in this chapter Wave Optics. We will see one more question in this chapter. After that we will discuss questions from some other chapters. Okay, till the next video is on. Thank you for the dog. Okay, thank you.